Well, I stopped and taken shelter in this very rickety old mine shelter. Bye, mountain goats. Good to see ya. Well, here we go. Deer Creek, Glacier Mountain, St. John. "13 miles, 3,000 feet elevation gain." Ooh, it's icy. Hey guys, it's icy. I've never ridden this bike in the snow or ice before. My back tire is probably about half or less where it was when I got it new. Whew. Pretty cool. Whew. Oh shit, it's really slippery. Hopefully we'll come out of the snow soon once we break tree line. Whoa, yeah, it's slick. So since I've been up here, I've seen a couple people walk by my campsite, which is right off the road. And then I saw one Jeep go up. But besides that, I haven't seen anyone else. It's sunny today, but pretty windy. Oh, that back tire is doing better than I thought it would in the snow and ice. Here comes some views. Like some old mining stuff, possibly. Old house maybe. Alright, I gotta take a look at the map. Alright, we're gonna work our way up to Radical Hill. It's red cone. Oh my gosh. That's impressive. And it is windy up here. Super windy. Oh, this is cool. There's red cone. I think this is Radical Hill here. Pretty sure that is. Alright, well, pretty cool. I was hoping to see some mountain goats up here. I think I'm going to throw my coat on up here too. It's really cold. Pretty nice cliff over here. Cool. wonder if this is going to be passable or not. Yeah. Damn. I didn't think there would be this much snow up here. over yet. Good climb. Well, I stopped and taken shelter in this very rickety old mine shelter up here past Glacier Ridge. It's actually doing a really good job of cutting the wind, but yeah, take a look at how rickety it looks. Doesn't look like the safest thing, right? But it's not moving or anything. Also, I noticed some stuff down here. Whew. Crazy windy out here. Pizza Lunchables. It's just so windy out here. I can feel the wind pushing against me, right? Big drag. Just gonna hang out here for a little bit, have some lunch, and then I think I'm gonna turn around. It's really windy, it's cold. I'm not familiar with the rest of this trail. I don't know if I can ride through the town to complete the loop to get back to my campsite. So yeah, for several reasons, I think it's just best just to cut it here. But this is a cool spot, it's been a great ride. I've really enjoyed it. I just don't want to push the bike into some areas I'm not real familiar with. The battery I saw drop down to halfway at one point, so I think the cold and the wind drag and all the snow, all the extra resistance is certainly affecting it. It could probably make the whole loop, but the biggest thing is I don't want to get messed with by a cop or somebody because I'm not supposed to be riding in the town there. I don't know if it's on OHV roads or not. So that's where we're at. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this lunch, and then we're going to get on out of here. Man, it is just so cold and windy out here. Makes it kind of unpleasant, to be honest. Super nice still, but it just it's not as much of a peaceful feeling as it usually is being up here. Yeah, it's still really cool though. Glad I was able to get out and get this bike out. Haven't rode it in the snow before, so it was cool to see how it performs in the snow. Actually not too bad really. The back tire is worn down about halfway, so still did pretty well. Yeah, just had some lunch. I'm going to get everything loaded back up, and I'm heading out of here. Bye, mountain goats. Good to see ya. I noticed those guys off in the distance. When I was heading back, and I took a side trail and wound up over here. I parked the bike. I made it most of the way up, but parked the bike a little bit below, so I didn't have to ride on the side of the trail the whole time. Quite a bit of snow. But glad I got to see those guys. Thought I wouldn't get to see them. Happy. Time to get back. Get out of this dang wind.